Welcome back. In the wake of recent cases of culprits posing as policemen and looting people, Goa police has issued advisory to the public. Police has advised the people to ask for identity card if somebody approaches them for any help posing as a cop.
Describing the modus operandi, Goa police has said that some unknown culprits, mostly 2 in number, using two-wheelers and speaking in Marathi or Hindi, usually target ladies wearing gold ornaments. They caution them that the area where they are standing is highly crime-prone. With this pretext, they help the victim in removing the jewellery and wrapping it in some paper. After wrapping it, they give back the packet containing the jewellery. When the victims reach home, they discover that the original jewellery is replaced with fake bangles and stones. Goa police has said that they are trying to nab the culprits, but meanwhile citizens are requested to follow advisory. Be more careful of such persons who claim to be policemen. Ask for their identification as soon as they approach you for any help. Do not interact with any person who poses as a policeman, especially if the said person is in civil clothes. On suspicion, an alarm should be raised to draw attention of nearby public. Call police on 100 in such situation. Note down the vehicle's registration number. Remember the person's identification marks, face, any particular physical features. Goldsmiths involved in purchase of old gold should verify person who approach them for selling gold ornaments. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
KHARIWADO has become a breeding ground for mosquitoes. The residents complain that mosquitoes have made their life difficult. Some of the children in the area are suffering from skin infections. They want their area to be clean and mosquito-free.
This is the KHARIWADO area in Vasco. Have a look at the surroundings. The gutters are left open. This has become an ideal spot for mosquitoes breeding. Locals are facing many problems. Precautionary measures have failed. The residents are meeting doctors regularly as they suffer from multiple skin diseases. Have a look.
रातभर निदाना काय ना आणि वक्ताळ्याने मागीर शेवटी जाता जाराला लागून जाता म्हण सांगता डॉक्टर आणि कितली आटा आमी मच्छरदानी बनता आणि वक्ता आटा कितें कितें नाका जाले ते हाडून ते लायता काय कितें ते सगळे खाऊन ते भुरग्यांची जीव खबर करून दवरल्या न्ही हेल्थाचे बी कोण येना कोण येवना कोण पोवपाक ना काय ना आणि वोटिंग लागून एकदा येता हे भुरग्यांक अशें जर खावन जर अशी वाट लागता भुरग्याची दोतोर केले सगळे केले आमी जळारांचे हे अशें दोतोर थोडे करूंक ना एका दाखय ताका दाखय हे जळारांचो जर उपाय काय जायना जाल्यार ह्या भुरग्यांक दोतोर खंयचे लागतले दोतोर लागचेच ना न्हू हे भुरग्यांक कितें तरी उपाय करूंकूच जाय न्हू येतात ते वखदां मारपाक मातशें वाडले जाले गेले दुसरे दीस आसा तशी जळारी परत चालू
तुमचा येता मच्छरा येता लिक्विड लावून सुद्धा कांयच येना सगळे घाण सगळे जाल्लेले असं डुकरा बी थंयच घाण करता.
We contacted the health officer, Vikas Kuelkar. He says he has not received any written complaint as yet.
Regarding this complaint, नाही आमकां written complaint अजून कोणालाच येवं ना खारेवाड्याची पूण आमचे वर्कर्स पळय आसा सर्वेलन्स वर्कर्स फील्ड वर्कर्स ते आमचे रेग्युलर भोंवतात सगळे एरियांनी तांकां त्या एरियेंत सगळे डेप्यूट केल्ले आसा रिगार्डींग ते गटर पळय तुंबल्या भरल्या तें काम म्युनिसिपालिटीन करपाक जाय आनी म्हाका जर रिटर्न कंप्लेंट येत हांव लेटर करतलो चीफ ऑफिसराक की दे हॅव टू डू इट एट द अर्लिएस्ट.
Dishan Parab for Prudent.
ANC and FDA officials raided shops and restaurants in Ponda close to the colleges on Friday. The raids were initiated after receiving complaints of narcotic substances being sold in the outlets. Some illegal kiosks were asked to close down for unavailability of official documents and licenses.
Around these colleges in Ponda and Farmagudi, there were certain shops, small stalls outside these colleges where they were selling narcotic substances. So narcotic substances, and as well as there were certain groups who were coming there and creating nuisance. So that is why ANC along with the FDA, Food and Drugs Authority, and also local as well as few policemen from Ponda police station, together we conducted a joint operation today. And we had raided many small stalls. Basically, we had searched many stalls for the availability of all these narcotic substances. And therefore, we came to know that few shops do not have required licenses, and because of which FDA has issued notices against them, and they have shut down their shops.
Meanwhile, when contacted the principal of GEC College, he said if anybody is found in illicit acts, they will be punished.
No, nobody will be spared if they are find this involved in the activity. They will be punished.
Reporters Vivek Prabhu and Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Goa government has ordered major transfers on Friday. Government transferred 13 senior scale officers. Responsibilities of some of the officers have been shuffled. Officers will have to take their respective charge within 3 days and submit the compliance.
The Goa government issued transfer orders on Friday of 13 senior scale officers. Here's a list. Swapnil Naik has been transferred to as Director of Information and Publicity. Amar Singh Rane, Director of Vigilance. Meena Goltekar as Director of Social Welfare. S.V. Naik as Director of Industries, Trade and Commerce. Vasudev Shetty has been transferred to as Project Director of DRDA North. Vijay Paranjape as Joint Secretary to General Administration. Damodar Shanke as Secretary of State Police Complaint Authority. Laura Brito has been transferred as Secretary to Goa State Election Commission. Irene Sequeira, Additional Inspector General of Prisons. G.P. Pilankar as Director of Administration of GMC. Margaret Fernandez as Director of Public Grievances. Venancio Furtado as Additional Collector 1 of South Goa and Sandhya Kamath as SLO of GSIDC. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.